Welcome to Net Terms Tracker. By the end of this video, your store runs B2B net terms. Approved wholesale customers see net terms at checkout. The app enforces your credit limits in real time. Your PDF invoices carry your branding. I'll guide you through 6 chapters. Terms of service, the 2 setup steps, approving your first B2B customer, customizing your invoices, and 2 optional storefront blocks. Accept the terms of service, the first screen after install. The first time you open Net Terms Tracker, you land on the Terms of Service page. Read it. It covers data handling and merchant responsibilities. Click I accept at the bottom. That unlocks the rest of the app. Homepage tour, your dashboard and setup banner. You're on the homepage. The yellow banner at the top says Essential Setup Required. It won't clear until you complete the 2 setup steps. We'll do those next. Below the banner, 2 cards. Accounts receivable on the left shows your pending invoice count. Current plan on the right shows your tier. You're on Starter, which is free and covers up to 5 approved customers. Upgrade to Growth or Pro for a 30-day free trial. No card required up front. A countdown banner appears here once your trial begins. Click View Setup Guide on the yellow banner. Setup Guide, add the payment method and verify the gatekeeper. The setup guide opens in 2 parts. Part 1, add a manual payment method called Net Terms in your Shopify settings. The app uses this payment method to show net terms as a checkout option for approved customers. Click Open Payment Settings at the bottom of the modal. Shopify Settings opens in a new tab. Scroll down to the section called Manual Payment Methods and click Add Manual Payment Method. A drop-down appears. Select the last option, Create Custom Payment Method. Type the words Net Terms in the Custom Payment Method name field. Capital N and T, single space between them. The app filters checkout options by this exact string, so spelling and capitalization have to match. Net Terms Tracker generates payment instructions on the invoice itself. Click Activate. Come back to the Net Terms Tracker tab. Inside the Setup Guide modal, click the button, I've added the Net Terms payment method. A green check mark appears. Part 1 is done. Part 2, verify the Net Terms gatekeeper. The app creates this on install, you confirm it. Switch back to your Shopify Payments tab. Scroll further down to Payment Method Customizations and click Manage. The gatekeeper enforces the rule that only approved customers with enough available credit see Net Terms at checkout. Net Terms Gatekeeper should appear in the list with a green dot showing it's active. If you don't see it listed, click Add Customization, select Net Terms Gatekeeper from the dropdown, and save. Back in the Setup Guide modal, close it. The yellow banner on the home page disappears. Setup is complete. Approve your first B2B customer net 15, 30, or 60 terms and credit limits. The page you'll use most, Net Terms Manager. Click it in the navigation. You approve specific customers for net terms on this page. The table lists your customers with their email, current approval status, and credit details. Find the customer you want to approve. Click the Approve button on their row. A drop-down appears asking which term, Net 15, Net 30, or Net 60. Pick the one that matches your agreement with the customer. Net 30 is the most common in B2B. Next to the term selector, set their credit limit. This is the maximum amount they can have outstanding at any one time. If you set it to $5,000 and they already have a $4,000 unpaid invoice, the next cart they build can only use the remaining $1,000. The app does the math for you. Click Save. Their row now shows a green Net 30 badge. From this point, when the customer logs into your store and reaches checkout, Net Terms appears as a payment option for them within their credit limit. Customize your invoices, branding, payment instructions, and live preview. When that customer places an order using Net Terms, the app generates an invoice and tracks it here. Time to brand your invoices. Click Invoice Customization in the navigation. The page has 3 sections. First, Invoice Branding. Paste in your logo URL from Shopify settings files. Type your brand color as a hex code. A swatch on the right shows it live. Fill in your business name and address. These appear at the top of your PDF invoices, which are a pro plan feature. Configure now and your branding kicks in as soon as you upgrade. Second, the payment instructions wizard. Pick how customers should pay: wire transfer, mailed check, or custom. Wire asks for your bank, account holder, routing number, account number, and an optional SWIFT code. Check asks for the payee name and postal address. Custom lets you write any instructions. Whatever you fill in here appears inside the Pay Now modal customers see when settling up and on every PDF invoice once you're on Pro. Third, the live preview on the right shows the Pay Now modal as your customers will see it. Edit on the left, the preview updates in real time. Click Save when it looks right. Customer Finance Portal optional self-service page for B2B customers. The Customer Finance Portal gives your B2B customers a self-service page showing their credit limit, available credit, invoice history, and a Pay Now button on overdue invoices. They stop emailing you to ask what they owe. Setup takes 3 phases: build the template, create the page, then add the navigation link. For the template, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Edit Theme. In the theme editor, click the page selector at the top, switch to Pages, and click Create Template. Name it Finance Dashboard, base it on default page. In the new template, expand the page section, click Add Block, and pick Finance Dashboard. Click Save. For the page, go to Online Store, then Pages, then Add Page. Title it Finance Portal, set visibility to Visible, set Template to Finance Dashboard, and click Save. For the navigation link, go to Content, then Menus. Click the menu where you want the link. Main menu puts it in the storefront header. Customer account main menu puts it next to Orders and Profile for logged-in customers. Click Add Menu Item, label it Finance Portal, find your page in the link field, click the checkmark, and click Save. To verify, click the Preview Eye icon next to Online Store. Your storefront opens in a new tab. Click Finance Portal in the navigation, and you land on the Finance Portal page. Your store is set up. B2B Net Terms now runs through your Shopify checkout, and the app enforces your credit limits in real time. 3 ways to reach us if you have a setup question, an edge case in your wholesale flow, or a feature you'd like to see. Email us at support@nettermstracker.com. Use the chatbot in the bottom right corner of our website, or message us through the contact form on nettermstracker.com. For feature explanations, head to nettermstracker.com. Welcome aboard.